Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove or leave a team in Canva so we can manage our workspace or exit a team we no longer need. This helps keep our account organized and control who has access. On our Canva dashboard, we click our profile logo at the lower part of the dashboard. From here, we just need to click on Settings. Once in Settings, we go to People and Management. Here, we can transfer ownership and leave our team, or we can remove someone by clicking on their name. After selecting that person, click on Remove Users. Once someone has been removed, we can also add new people by selecting Invite People. Please note, we can only remove or invite people if we have a business or premium plan. And that's how we remove or leave a team in Canva in just a few simple steps.